What originated in the late 1800s as a means of practical transportation, the development of the American automobile has transcended the hopes and plans of anyone responsible for its conception. Cars are not just transportation anymore. They are history, they are works of art, they are dreams, and for some, they are a passion. On this episode of American Rust, we take you on a journey into one man's passion. A collection as vast as it is cool. There isn't a single car, part, nut, or bolt for sale here. The question that may come to your mind is why? The truth is, for many who collect automobiles, the value of their collections rarely has anything to do with money. It's deeper than that. It's emotional. Furthermore, these collections are often not for sale. Some collect to preserve the past, some collect for the thrill, the hunt, the quest. Some simply collect for fun. Cars have always been a passion of theirs, and owning a lot of them brings about pure joy and excitement. Whatever the reason, cars from all over the world, all makes and models, have been preserved, loved, and appreciated from the time the automobile was first developed to now. To protect the whereabouts of this location, we can only show you a fraction of this collection. After walking through this collection with its owner, we have a greater understanding of why. Until the next episode, you all be safe out there.